Hi guys, I'm going to teach you about the basics of Excel today. Okay, when you open Excel, it's going to give you these options over here. You can see it's going to show you a whole bunch of templates. You can also take a tour as well. You can just scroll down the side here. You can see that there's a whole bunch of different templates to choose from. Now if you click on one of them, it's going to preview it for you like this, and you can just click on create if you want to create it, or click on the little X to close it. Now let's create a blank document. So click on blank document over here and wait for it to open up. Okay, each one of these blocks over here is called a cell, and this whole area is a spreadsheet. So now these are tabs over here on the top. So let's click on the file tab over here, and this is where you save, and you can create a new workbook and change some of the basic settings. You can open an older file that you've used before. Okay, click on this arrow to go back. Now let's click on insert, the insert tab over here. And you can see it's going to have a whole bunch of different features here, and there's different groups like the tables group, the illustrations group, and you can see it's got different options in each group. Charts group. Okay, now let's select page layout tab on top here. And now you can see you've got the page setup group over here. You've got themes at the start of this. Okay. You can also click over here to bring up further options. The small little symbol on the bottom right of the group. It's going to bring up some extra options. This is just a page setup menu, but we can just close this for now. And now you can click on the formulas tab, another data tab, and notice that every single tab is going to have its own different groups on the ribbon. This entire let's click on the view tab, and this entire thing over here is called the ribbon with all the different features on it. Okay, now choose the home tab. It's going to go back to the default ribbon. Okay, now just remember each of these blocks is called a cell, and that's a basic introduction. Thanks for watching.